In this video, we're going to go through the process for creating bios for administrative staff. To start out, you're going to go under your website tab and look for the information folder. And then we're going to go into directory. And here there will be a number of items. We're going to start with our bios folder, which is where we would recommend creating all of your bios. I have a little rocket guy here. He's going to be my headshot. But let's go ahead and create our bio file here. So you're going to click Add here on the right, and then on this page, under your content type, Bio Manual. And on this page, two things we're worried about. First, the name. This is going to be your file name. I recommend making it the person's first and last name. That way you know exactly whose bio it is. Next item we're going to focus on here is our featured in headlines. This allows us to add the file directly to the index file. So as soon as we save the bio, it's going to show up right away on the website. So in this case, we're going to look for the file information directory admin. So the admin file is featured to the index file. The index file holds all of the directories, compiling them into one page. So the information directory admin file represents a section just for administrative staff. So information directory admin, add, continue. And on this page, we're going to enter information for our individual here. Whoever it might be, just put in their full name and then a first name and last name. We'd recommend filling out all three of those fields. And then from there, it's really up to you. There's a lot of fields on here you probably won't use, but there are some pretty recommended fields. Like a title, that's where you're going to actually put their title. I just made the name athletic director, but the title field is genuinely, where you're generally going to put the person's actual title. The other items to worry about is a phone number and an email address. And from there, if you want to add custom fields or anything else, that's up to you. We're going to add a headshot. Click in our gray box here and browsing for a headshot you've already uploaded. So remember the file path where you have it uploaded, or you can use the upload button here to upload it directly from your computer. So I have my rocket guy right here. And then lastly is our synopsis. This is where you're going to actually write out the bulk of the bio, the body of it, if you will, anything you want to add here. And then we're going to save changes. So here's our bio file that we just created. And if we go back to the directory folder, it's now featured into this admin file, which we see right here. And that has already been featured to the index file, which we see right here, along with our men's soccer index. So now if we take a look at the front end of our site, we'll go ahead and open up the index folder or file to view it on the front end. And there we go. We see our new administrative bio that was created for the athletic director, and it's listed under administration in the staff directory. And there's our men's soccer bios that were set up earlier and are now featured to this overall staff directory.